Hello everyone, and welcome to the lesson on composite figures. The composite figures are more complex problems. We've got to do different calculations to try and find a dimension, to find it from another thing in the diagram, okay? So these are a little more complex. So I'm going to give you a couple of hints. Let's get down to number 3. All right. So on number 3, you're trying to find the area, right, of the shaded region, just the shaded space. So what you need to do is find the area of the big circle with the radius 50, and then subtract from it the white space in the middle, which has a radius of 36. So you have to find those two areas, leave them in terms of no, you can round them to decimals. That's fine. So you want to do that. All right. Number 4. If we look at number 4, the diameter AB is 26. And CB is 10. You have to find the area of the shaded region. So in order to do that, you have to find the area of half the circle, right? Because AB is the diameter. So you need to find the area of half the circle, subtract from it the area of that triangle. Now, in order to find the area of the triangle, you need to find the length of AC. Okay? So it's a right triangle. You have a leg, you have a hypotenuse, and you're trying to find one side, so that's a Pythagorean theorem. So you need the Pythagorean theorem, right? 10 squared plus b squared equals 26 squared. All right. So that's how you're going to find that side. Then you find the area of the triangle, subtract it from the area of the semicircle or half the circle, and that's how you'll find the area of the shaded space. This one, when you're doing things, you want to have as little waste as possible. So you've got to think about this, rearranging this. How can you put this together to buy the least amount to get the job done? Okay. So if you look at the dimensions, it's a 15 and a 15, right? A 13 and a 13. How can you rearrange this to fit here? Then rearrange that to fit there. And when you do that, what are your dimensions? You'll have this 12 inches here, right? But what will you have going across? So that's a little hint. Those are my hints for the day. So this lesson has been brought directly to you from my dining room table.